The average U.S. intern makes $17 an hour. At Palantir, you earn $8,500 a month. While others are broke, you're being paid like a pro to design the future. Most people tiptoe through life, hoping to make it safely to death. But not you. You want money, freedom, and influence. And in the luxury tech design world, hesitation is poverty. Action is power. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you learn about luxury careers. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out more luxury jobs like this one. Today, we're diving inside Palantir's product designer internship in Washington, D.C., an opportunity most will never even know exists. Imagine this. You're not fetching coffee, you're leading design sprints. You're not updating mock-ups for a class project. You're refining interfaces used by governments and Fortune 500s. And for it, you're pulling in $8,500 every month. This isn't a side hustle. This is power disguised as an internship. Step outside the Palantir office and you're in Washington, D.C., the city where ambition and innovation collide. Your mornings might start at a Georgetown cafe. Afternoons? Co-working hubs like 1776 D.C. or Halcyon Incubator, where entrepreneurs and designers pitch billion-dollar ideas. Evenings bring DC Tech Meetup, one of the largest in the country, where your next mentor or recruiter could be sitting beside you. And when you need to recharge, DC has it all. The wharf for rooftop dinners with the Potomac glowing behind you, Kennedy Center performances, or live jazz echoing through U Street. This isn't just politics. It's a city where culture, innovation, and networking blur into one endless opportunity. As a product designer intern at Palantir, your work isn't about pretty interfaces. It's about impact. One day you're prototyping in Figma. The next you're embedded in a client's office, watching how your designs help analysts prevent supply chain collapse or doctors accelerate vaccine distribution. A single micro-interaction you refine could save lives. You collaborate with product managers, forward-deployed engineers, and developers who treat you as a peer, not a student. This is design at the front line of global change. But here's the hard truth. Palantir doesn't hire the average. If you want in, you have to be undeniable. That means three things. Master the tools, live inside Figma, show speed and precision. Research obsessed. Pair interviews, usability tests, and metrics to prove you understand humans, not just interfaces. Portfolio that slaps. One project that takes something complex and makes it simple. That's your ticket in. Want to accelerate your shot? Plug into the ecosystem. Join the Interaction Design Association. Network at the AIGA Design Conference. Contribute research through ACM Special Interest Group for Computer-Human Interaction, or sharpen your edge with UXPA International. These aren't just events. They're where the next generation of UX leaders are discovered. Here's your reality check. Palantir's product designer internship isn't just about $8,500 a month. It's about shaping technology in Washington, D.C., the city of influence. Every year, thousands apply. Only a fraction make it. The ones who win? They show up with portfolios that scream mastery. The rest? Forgotten. So the choice is yours. Will you step into DC's culture of ambition, where hackathons, meetups, and late-night prototypes turn into real power? Or will you stay on the sidelines, watching someone else design the future while you fade into the background? This isn't just an internship. This is your initiation into power. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about breaking into tech design careers. And if you want to see how others are making it in the luxury tech industry, don't miss the next video. It's right here waiting for you.